Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I have created a new project which is polling system API, and it is based on the Node.js Express and the MongoDB database. Okay, so in this project I am not handling the user interface part, so this is only the API, this is only the backend. Okay, so in polling system API, what is the features and what is the task is that task is that you have to create a question, then question have option, and option have a vote and text. Okay, so you can delete a question, but you cannot delete a question which have a option. Okay, and you can delete a question, and you can at last see the question with all of the options. Okay, and that is all of the route we have handled in my project. Okay, id, option, delete, all of the things, and at last you can see this type of the output on my project. Okay, so now we will start it. So so first we will create a question. Okay, so inside the question we have a title. So when we send a request for that, so you can see here question created successfully, and we can see also the database where we have updated database. Okay, you can see I have created a question successfully, and you can create an option inside a specific question. So we will move to the next request. So here we will create options for the specific questions. Okay, so we have to copy the question id for the options. So here copy and paste here, and when you send the request, you can see options created successfully. Okay, so when you go to the database, and you can see here option is uh, options array is empty, but when you refresh your database you can see there is a one array. Okay, and inside the options collection you can see we have created an option. Okay, and there is a link to vote, so I have handled this link to vote dynamically. So it will be auto generated, it will be generated dynamically when you created a new question, new options. Okay, so you don't need to pass your link to vote inside the body. Okay, so now third is that we have to increment the vote by one. Okay, so in previously you can see this is the 500, and so first we have to copy the option id, and when you want to update the option, so paste here and send, and when you refresh your database you can see it will be 501. Okay, now move to the next route. So here we have left the three route: delete a question, delete a option, and get all the data. Okay, so when you try to delete a question, okay, so it will delete a question using the question id. So here inside the question you can see there is a option inside the question. Okay, so if you want to delete a question which have a option, so you cannot delete a question. Okay, so when you try to delete a question, okay, so it is saying that question not found, and inside the console you can see question has associated options, so cannot delete. Okay, so you cannot delete. So if you want to delete a question, so first you have to delete the options first. So you can see how to delete an option. So move to the next route. So here you have to first copy the question id, then copy the option id. So inside the database, go to the options. So I have to delete this option. So first you have to first you have to create the first you have to copy the question id. So here copy the question id, then you have to copy the option id, then paste it here, control v, then when you send it, you can see it will be deleted successfully. Okay, so inside the question we have an array empty. Okay, so we have deleted the options here. So when you refresh the database, so there is a no option when you deleted the option. Okay, and when you click on the option, so there is no option. Okay, and now you can delete your question because you don't have a options inside your question. So copy the question ID here inside the question, copy the question ID here and paste it here. Okay, and when you send the request, you can see question deleted successfully, and when you go to the database and refresh it, you can see question deleted successfully. And now last thing is that you have to get all of the options with a specific question. Okay, so you have to copy the question ID. So this is my question and all of the options here. Okay, so you can see when you get the question with the specific ID, control V, then you send it the request. Okay, you can see all of the data here, ID, question ID, text, vote, all of the things. Okay, so that is my backend project, and if you want to the code, then you can see my description box. You will get a link, GitHub link. Okay, so thank you